What's up guys, how's it going? So today I'm going to show you how to install the Bear Paw grip for your bow from Bear Archery. This ain't really about kills. This is about the work that it takes to get to the kill.
Yeah, that's worth it right there.
So ever since the Hunting Public's Bear Adapt has come out, people have been talking about the grip on that particular type of bow. So the great thing about this grip is that it doesn't only come on the Hunting Public Adapt. It actually can be installed on just about any bow that Bear Archery has come out with in the last few years. So if you've already got a bow from Bear Archery, you can find this on the Bear website. I got mine from Mike's Archery, and there's several different archery shops out there. I'm sure Lancaster and probably even Midway USA has this. I'll try and double check that. But the great thing about this type of grip is it's got a really good feel to it. That's what I liked about the Adapt when I tried it out at Bass Pro one time. You know, a lot of times when we're bow hunting in late season, it's really not fun to have your fingers or your hand touching that cold riser in late season. So this gives you a little bit better grip overall, and I think it should help with torquing the bow. So I'll go over some of the tools that you need, and we'll try and look at how you install this thing. So here is the grip that they give you, and then you've got these two little Allen screws that come with it, and then these two little plugs that will go into the side of the riser there. So what you can use is a flathead screwdriver, a pick, and an Allen wrench. So first thing you want to do is try and get these stickers off. There you go. Just gotta get that little bit of glue, whatever it is, to come off of there. Alright, so yeah, it's easiest that way. Tried to do this different ways, but it seems like it's easiest just to poke through to the other side there. Alright, so we're going to try and put these little plugs in. So you get two of these, and basically they've just got the little flat side on one end, and so you've got to put one on the high side and one on the low side. So basically you're going to have them come in like this on the top, and then like this on the bottom with the flat edge to the outside. So I'll try and see if I can zoom in a little bit more. What you'll do is you'll just put this to this side, so the flat edge is on this side of the bow, and then on this end you keep the flat edge on this side on the bottom, and so that's how it's going to match up with these screws here. You've got the one on the left side of the grip goes on top, and then the right side of the grip goes to the bottom. And so you just kind of slide it on there. And get it to where everything is flush. And it should line up with the screw. I don't entirely know why there's different, why you've got these different screw holes here, but it may just be so that it fits on the different types of bows, because there may be different grips depending on whether you've got the legit, the Resurgence, the Adapt, all the different bows that Bear has come out with the past couple years. It's supposed to be designed where it'll fit any of those different models. So it should slide on there good and flush. And then the screws that you've got, that's where you need your Allen tool. And you should already have one of these if you've got a bow. If you don't, I would highly recommend you get one. So you should be able to just screw that right in. Alright. And we'll get the other side here on the bottom. So it feels pretty good. I definitely think that's going to be a much better feel in the hand, and definitely gives you that feel just like you get on the Adapt. And I think it'll make the late season hunts a little bit more fun too. So overall, I think it's a really good option. You're looking at, I think, like $15 for this, and it really gives you a much better feel once you're grabbing one of these bows. And it's not just the straight metal riser that you're gripping there. I think it feels pretty good. So that's the installation. Yeah, so all you really need are just these couple of tools, and make sure you got your Allen tool, and should be all you need. I know it took me a lot longer to put this together just because I was making a video on it, but yeah, I mean, it shouldn't take but a few minutes just to pop these two little pieces off of there and then throw it on. So it's pretty simple.